fine. But you better let me go on that phone. Give me it now. Okay, hon. Just get back in time for dinner. Very cool, Mom. I'll be home later tonight. By the way, don't be on that phone the whole time either! Well, might as well make the best of this. I mean, it can't be that bad, right? I mean, it's just outside. Alright, let's get out there and rule the outdoors. Oh, come on! My phone! Oh shit! Mom's gonna kill me. Huh? Yo, the park looks really nice for some reason. Maybe a stroll through will take my mind off this. Yo, a butterfly. Maybe Mom will increase my allowance if I bring these to her. Damn, I look good. Whee! Okay, that wasn't really that cool. Wow! Nature is awesome! That was a really good time. I guess now. Attention park goers. The park is now closing. And there we go. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh god, that was close. Well, I guess I better head home now. Well, after today, I think we might keep you off for a little while.